All right, let's go see the baby wolves. Wolf Rock Cave. Leesville, Louisiana. Vernon Parish.
The boys don't really play with me that much anymore. You know why? No, not because we're mean. No, every millisecond she's on YouTube. We never even ask. Every millisecond of like she gets up, gets on YouTube. That's all. Whenever we go somewhere, he does really want to go. He puts on makeup. It takes 10 minutes to put on makeup.
All girls and one boy. The girls would play with the boys.
The boys aren't rude. Sometimes they can be a piece of crap. Still. There's some retarded people.
Check it out. Big rocks already. Hey, they said you can find arrowheads and Indian artifacts around here.
Well, what if we just find something and we can sell it for $1 trillion million? Put my hands on that song. Oh, there's the doggy again. Wolf, I'm a doogie. I lick people for fun, and I always bite. Yes, I don't want to fall down there. It's no.
Yeah, they said you can walk the creek too.
It's all pine cones, truthfully, pine cones. But now you can hold a rail. Oh God! What?
So this is Wolf Rock Cave, Vernon Parish.
Wait.
People don't want. It's so. It'll fuck up everything. For the public.
I love dogs. That looks like a YouTuber's dog. I always wanted to go into the cave, so
You wanted to see a puppy.
little thing, and I